Earth moving, soil stabilization, demolition and transport are the key service areas in which Maaßen Civil Engineering operates. In this third short film, we follow the Maaßen team once again on various assignments and will show you several new additions to their fleet. We start off in Sindorf, a town just 25 kilometers to the west of Cologne. Just a stone's throw away from Maaßen's headquarters, they are laying the groundwork for a new car park to be built on this site. Maaßen has 7 vehicles deployed there. They have already carted 5,000 cubic meters of topsoil away over the past few days. Now they have to prepare the layer below by stabilizing the soil. First, driver Christoph uses the spreaders to distribute around 25 kilograms of lime binding agent per square meter. It's imperative that the groundwork is completed without any delays. Maaßen has dispatched 2 of their 4 Wirtgen milling machines to this construction site. The machines burrow their way through the ground at a depth of 40 centimeters and a working width of 2.5 meters. The 2 longest-serving Fendt tractors in the fleet have made an appearance here too. It's heavy work for the 936s, at less than 1 kilometer an hour. The air filter has to be replaced every 2 to 3 days. The tractors pulling the milling machines consume a minimum of 35 litres of diesel per hour. A haulage contractor delivers the binding agent using silo semi-trailers. The soil type and moisture are critical for determining the application rates for the lime mixture. Apart from on extremely clayey soils, 1 pass with the milling machine is enough to achieve the desired result of a well-mixed, clod-free soil layer. A 14-ton roller is responsible for the task of reconsolidation. The John Deere High-Speed Dozer takes care of fine grading the crushed hardcore on this construction site. Maaßen recently imported this used 210 horsepower construction machine from the States for €170,000. As the name High-Speed Dozer suggests, this machine is ideal for filling in material at high speeds. Its delta track systems and articulated steering ensure it is both smooth running and agile. On this light grading job, the high-speed dozer can achieve twice the output of a regular cat dozer. Driving the 764 HSD takes a bit of getting used to at first, even for a well-practiced construction machinery driver such as Peter, due to the cab being positioned on the front end. The vehicle is mostly steered via the joysticks on the armrest. The leveling plate is steered automatically based on the requirements of the site grading plan that the Maaßen team has created for this construction site and transferred to the Trimble terminal via a USB stick. The results are accurate to 1.5 centimeters. The scheduling work for the company's vast fleet is carried out at their offices in Haus Forst. In the summer, the company will move into more new premises, including offices and recreation spaces at Maaßen's headquarters in Sindorf. Owner Mark Maaßen currently employs a team of 90. They are definitely on the lookout for reinforcements though, because they'll soon be adding an extra 6 new lorries, 2 excavators and 1 dozer to their fleet. So get your applications in now. Now we're moving on to the next construction site in the village of Mannheim Neu. In the local residential area, team member Kevin is in the process of excavating the topsoil and filling in with gravel using the agile and compact CAT mobile excavator. Team member Heinz has been with the business for 10 years. And today he's transporting the excavated material from the construction site to the landfill site. Normally he pulls the flatbed trailer with his 600 horsepower Actros, and is responsible for ensuring that the specialist machines and excavators get to their allocated positions on time. They recently had a new 680 horsepower tractor unit delivered, which we'll show you in one of our next short films. The clean, crushed hardcore is produced using a mobile crusher at the House Forced Building Material Recycling Centre. The machine grinds lumps of up to 1 cubic metre into granules of just 0.45 centimetres. Metal is removed by magnets, and plastic and wood via an air classifier. The 22-metre stockpiling conveyors help to save on additional trips with the loader to transport the material. The company's second Cat 966M arrived just a few months ago. The older of the two loaders will continue to be used at House Forced. The new recruit will shortly be transferred to Maaßen's new gravel quarry. The 966M was ordered with a calibrated weighing device for this job. On the day of filming, both of these 24-ton construction machines are still being used to load hardcore. "10,000 tons of this crushed hardcore were also delivered to the car park construction site in Sindorf. The quad-track scraper combination is tasked with spreading the approximately 400 truckloads of material onto the construction site. We previously took a detailed look at the Fleet's 2 quad-tracks in part 2 of our short film series on Maaßen. We'll keep you up to date on Maaßen's latest construction sites and their fleet of vehicles in future short documentaries. For more information, feel free to visit the construction company's new website and Facebook page, where you can also find out more about their current job vacancies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to visit www.farmworld.tv.